Hey, so I thought I would do a really quick video to talk about how to clean your gel plate and just how to like maintain it because what I found is that even just after two sessions, this is only my second time using the plate, and I did quite a lot of prints. I did over 10, so I think I did like 12. So you can see all the ones that I did today, I'm leaving out to dry. And there are a few more in the back, the ones that are, I guess, not my favorites. The gel plate, I am noticing the color seems to be like seeping into the gel, which was interesting. And also, as I did more prints, I just felt like the quality wasn't the same. And I felt the plate itself, every single time I would wipe it with the towel, it would just get really, really sticky. So what I came up with is using baby oil. So I have just a bottle of Johnson's baby oil, using that to clean the plate, and the color is actually coming off. And it also feels really new as well. Now keep in mind, I mean, there's always two sides to the plate, so you can, once you feel like this side, you know, you've used a lot of, you can always flip over to the other side and it's brand new. But at the same time, you know, I'm sure many of us are hoping to just buy a gel plate and that would last us for years. Like I really do believe this could last me for years. So it's just a matter of just cleaning it, taking care of it, maintaining it. And what I find is that the baby oil really works. So I'm going to finish wiping this down and I'm going to do another print just to see whether this method actually works. The design that I'm going to go with, or like the color combo, after I clean the plate. Let's see how it looks. It's like before I layer on the cardstock. I have to say, after I clean the plate, it just feels so much smoother to roll the brayer on. So I highly recommend you know, a clean in between prints, and at least a clean after every session. Moment of truth. So I have to mention, you know, one of the reasons why I decide to just figure out a way to clean the plate beyond just wiping it down with a towel is that as I did more prints, it was getting harder and harder for me to pull the print from the plate. Even if it's just a first layer, not a second layer, it was just getting harder and harder because the plate was becoming very sticky after multiple prints. So hopefully, after I use some baby oil, because it felt new again, hopefully I don't have this problem. So let's take a look. Oh, it's so much easier this time. Oh, it's so much easier and it gets way more of the paint versus before. As I was on my 6th or 7th print. Every single time I lift up the cardstock, a lot of the paint would be left. So wow, this is a really good method to clean. Using baby oil works, guys. Let's take a look. Wow, another really beautiful one.